This video will look at how to set up and manage purchase tracking for your customers. So firstly we go to Merchant and then Products, and then from the Purchase Tracking Structure drop down we click on Purchase Tracking Search. So the purchase tracking system allows us to keep on the front foot for certain types of products that require some sort of a renewal, for example licensing products or warranties. So from this page we can see a list of any of the existing purchase tracking structures, and we can click the green tick icon to edit and the red cross to delete. To create a new purchase tracking structure we click create on the right hand side. So if you're familiar with the process of setting up access and pricing structures, this is quite similar. So firstly we give it a name. We can then either mark it as active or inactive. We can optionally add start and end dates for a valid period. We can enter a priority, and we can select a type which is currently predefined with two options. We can then set an expiration period in either a number of weeks or months, and we can also set a reminder period. So this means if you wish to receive a reminder perhaps 1 week before the expiration or 1 month beforehand, you have the option to do that. So once you're happy with those details, you just click Save to create the purchase tracking structure. So now that we've created the purchase tracking structure, we need to add some products to it. So we scroll down the page, we can see a list of any existing product rules here, and we can add to that by clicking Add. From here we can then select the products by either a specific manufacturer, a category, all the way down to a single product. We can also add as many of these rules in as necessary. Once you're happy with the product rules, we then need to populate a list of customer access rules, which defines who this purchase tracking structure is relevant to. To do that we click Add on the right hand side. Now if you wish to make this available to all customers, you would simply just hit Save here without filtering down on any of these options. Otherwise you can limit it down to a specific user role, a company, all the way down to an individual customer. You can also add as many of those rules in as necessary. So just to recap, what this configuration essentially says is that all products in the monitors category for all customers has an expiration of 12 months. What happens from that point is really up to yourself. Currently by default we display a panel on the sales dashboard. So if we navigate to the sales console and scroll to the bottom of the page, we can see there's a panel here, all orders with items requiring renewal. So from here the sales rep gets a quick snapshot of any orders that might require a renewal on the products. If we then click into one of those orders, we can see the specific product that does require renewal, and the expiration date is there as well. Outside of that we could additionally send email notifications to the sales rep or even the customer to remind them of the renewal, and we could even go as far as generating quotes or orders automatically, which could be done per type of purchase tracking as well. If you would like to do any customizations to the purchase tracking system, just let us know and we can do that for you.